Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. 30 women are to receive support to develop their business under the Realize, Embrace, Achieve Your Purpose R.E.A.P project. This is the 9th cohort to have benefited from the initiative. The Young Women and Men of Purpose has launched the 9th cohort of its R.E.A.P project.
The R.E.A.P, which is Realize, Embrace, Achieve Your Purpose, Women Entrepreneurship Project, it will provide entrepreneurship training, mentoring, coaching, and support for 30 young women who are either unemployed or are not in school and are interested in starting or growing their own businesses. And most of these ladies are from the communities of Kingston and Portmore, especially the areas surrounding the PriceSmart clubs.
R.E.A.P, which is supported by the PriceSmart Foundation and a number of other stakeholders, aims to reduce unemployment and poverty among women in the targeted communities.
By equipping these young women with the necessary skills to start or to formalize their businesses, be economically empowered, and become agents of change within their families and their communities. The training that will be provided during the project will include entrepreneurship and business management, marketing for small businesses, accounting for small businesses, health and wellness for entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurs will learn how to create a business model canvas for their businesses and how to pitch for grant funding.
They will also receive technical support during the 6 weeks of training. The project will, however, run for a year. Industry Minister Orbin Hill says R.E.A.P provides well-needed support for a sector that is critical to Jamaica's economic growth.
As of October 2023, MSMEs account for approximately 15% of the total population of our country. They represent over 90% of employment in the private sector. It's not Grace and Jamaica Brothers Group and those big companies. They have a role to play because they put in lots of money in investment, and we need that investment. But the employment of people is coming from a lot of small MSMEs, and that's vital to us as well as an economy.
United Oil and Gas has been granted an extension of its license to explore for oil offshore Jamaica, and that extension is to January 31, 2026. United says during the period it will undertake additional technical studies, including piston core sampling and seismic reprocessing. The area being explored is reported to potentially have more than 2.4 billion barrels of fuel resources. The last license extension was granted in 2021. To the foreign currency market now, banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $156.33. The Canadian is going for $117.22. The pound is selling for $197.01, while the euro is trading for $171.17. And the JSE main index gained 2,681 points today, while the junior market index lost 24 points. Among the 45 winners were Productive Business Solutions 9.75% cumulative redeemable shares, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Blue Power Group, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, and T-Tech. Now among the 44 losers were Access Financial Services, Salada Foods Jamaica, Main Event Entertainment Group, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, and MFS Capital Partners. 23 stocks closed the session at the same price they started trading this morning. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening. The Business Day, brought to you by